Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanka kukwepa neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingoga wa subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takigira inyaya buditswa na Chimombe pamwechete nemumwe wake Moses mpofu wa Wabuda vachitaura ivo chiti pane government officials Akapihwa mari yakawanda na YaChivhayo mushure kunge vaka-awardwa the 40 million tender yekusupply my election materials. So vaviri ava vakabuda vachichema vachiti they are now being persecuted nenyaya maaudios akalika aiexpose the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission tender wrote mpofu na Chimombe avakasungwa muna June vakachajwa nenyaya defraud the government in the presidential court scheme. Vaviri ava vari kunzi vaviri ava vakabuda vachitaura vachiti havana kufara nemashero akaitwa mari kwanoita 40 million yakabudidzwa neZEC pakusupply kuma-ballot papers for the 2023 harmonized election. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti Vayo akavaudza kuti they were not going to receive a fair share zvinzi nekuda kuti iye akapa imwe mari kuvanhu vake vanga vari mugovernment reZimbabwe. Apo paiitwa the application for referral for their case to the Constitutional Court, vaviri ava vakaudza the High Court Judge Justice PaZEC kuenda kuti they were working with Chivhayo and a South African company inonzi Renform CC. Vaviri ava vakataura kuti they were in China maaudios aya paakaenda viral and the end of which vakadedzwa end of which ndonguva yavakadedzwa neThe Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. So vakachema vachiti the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission chairperson Michael Reza akaudza journalist Chivhayo was also being sought for my interviews, and but to their surprise vakashamisika kuti Chivhayo haana kudedzwa. Zvakare vaitaurawo vachiti pavakaenda kuma-ZEC offices they were expected to be interviewed about nyaya yeZEC tender, and asi to their surprise vakashamisika vakuchajwa nenyaya the presidential court scheme reZimbabwe. Chinzanzi vakadedzwa chinzi issue yanga iripo yanga iri yeZEC reZimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi Moses mpofu akabudawo zvakare achichema nemari yakapiwa ma-government officials achiti takaudzwa kunzi they were not going to share mari zviri ikaona Chivhayo, hanzi vakashamisika vachinzi pane mamwe mari yakapiwa ma-government officials zvakare zviri kunzi the ZAC chairperson waReza hanzi akaapia several times paitongwa nyaya yavo zvichinzi and is the one interfere nenyaya yebail yekuti vapiwe application yavo yebail. Nyaya yakabudiswa neThe New Zimbabwe vachitaura vachiti incarcerated business partners Moses mpofu and Chimombe Tuesday told High Court that unnamed government officials received a bulk of the money ex-contenderpreneur YaChivhayo got after he was awarded a 40 million tender for the supply of election materials. The duo claims they are now being persecuted for leaking audios exposing the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission tender wrote. Mpofu and Chimombe were arrested in June and charged with defrauding the government in the presidential court scheme. The two said they were disgruntled over how funds had been shared after winning a 40 million tender for the supply of ballot papers for the 2023 harmonized elections. They told the court that Chivhayo informed them they would not be receiving a fair share as he had to pay his people and government. While making an application for referral of their case to the Constitutional Court, the two told High Court Judge Justice PaZEC that they were working with Chivhayo and a South African company Renform CC. The two said they were in China when the audio went viral before it was reported that they were being summoned by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. They added that ZAC chairperson Michael Reza told journalists that Chivhayo was also being sought for interviews but to their surprise, he is yet to be summoned. The duo said when they showed up to the ZAC offices, they expected to be interviewed about the ZAC tender, as had been indicated, but were surprised when they were charged with fraud over the presidential court scheme. We thought we would discuss the ZAC issue, but we were charged over the issue of courts. We have never been interviewed about the ZAC issue, and that is why I am saying there is selective prosecution, Chimombe said while being led by his lawyer, Mugia. Giving his evidence, Moses Pofu said the same and that the bulk of the money from the tender deal was given to some government officials. When we had a meeting with YaChivhayo on the payment modalities, he told us that the money was not going to be shared equally. He said the bulk of the money was supposed to go to his people in government, and we were not going to get a fair share, he said. Mpofu also told the court that he even reminded the investigating officer about the ZAC issue. I actually asked the investigating officer, Henry Chapkwanya, about the ZAC issue because he was asking us about courts, and he said that case was not under his purview. He said the two further accused Reza of interfering with their case, resulting in them being denied bail, yet there was initial consent. We were never detained, and my understanding is that if a person is informed of the charges and surrenders himself to the police, bail will be automatic, he said. The two said they saw Reza in the courtroom before their initial appearance. The coincidence does not sit well with me. He came and our bail was denied, Mpofu said. When Reza came to the magistrate court, he went to the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA offices, where he met the deputy director and told her that he was against the bail consent, which was issued before court sitting. Our lawyers told us that they gave one of the consent forms to Reza and remained with one to use it as proof of his direct interference with this case, added Mpofu. Witness Mabaudi, representing the state, said the prosecutor general can alter bail consideration. The case is still ongoing. Though Mabaudi chawakatonya hii the New Zimbabwe tisingaziye kuti munaona sei nyaya iyi parunzi pane magovernment officials akapihwa mari kusanganisira vana mwana wa president Emmerson Mnangagwa anonzi Chipo Mnangagwa zvakare Priscilla Chibumba arunzi akapihwa zvakare mari. The CIO director akapihwa futi mari. Saka mamiriro zvakaita inyaya inopisa, nyaya isina kumira mushe. So ana Chimombe saying kuti ndiyo yega nyaya vari kupinziwa mujeri yekulikisa information iyoyo kuti in the first place ndiwo vakapiwa ZAC tender muZimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.